Welcome back to Cake's Factory, where cake meets creativity. Today we are serving you something rich, creamy, and super stylish. Shaped cheesecake styles. Get ready to be inspired by 15 fun and elegant cheesecake shapes. The first one is heart shaped cheesecake. Perfect for Valentine's Day or anniversaries. Creamy strawberry or red velvet heart shaped cheesecake with pipe cream edges. The next is flower cheesecakes, delicate petal designs often molded or shaped with floral silicone models, topped with edible flowers or piped buttercream details. The next is cube cheesecake, modern and sleek. These small square cheesecakes look like dessert jewels, especially in pastel color glaze or mirror finishes. The next is animal face cheesecake. Cute faces like bear, panda, or cat. Created using shape models and chocolate detailing. A big hit for kid and theme parties. The next is dome cheesecake. Smooth round dome shaped cheesecake with glossy toppings or velvet spray, often used in fancy design plating. The next is star shaped cheesecake, perfect for festive season like Christmas or New Year, decorated with sprinkles or metallic dust. The next is bento box cheesecake, mini cheesecakes shaped into letters, numbers, or themed icons, placed inside lunchbox style, packing fun and gift ready. The next is cheesecake bars in geometric shapes. Think triangle, hexagon, or rhombus shaped cheesecake bars topped with berries or gold foil. Elegant and modern. The next is beer paw cheesecake, shaped like an adorable beer paw with chocolate edges and paw prints. So cute and perfect for gifting. The next is cheesecake roses, cheesecake batter piped or shaped to resemble arrows, often used a Japanese style or mousse based cheesecake. Cheesecake letters spell out names or initial using alphabet silicone molds. These are great for birthday surprises or wedding dessert tables. The next is cheesecake spheres, round globe like cheesecake with filling inside. Slice them open to reveal jam, mousse, or fruit centers. The next is cheese ice cream cone style cheesecake with mixed with piped in a cone and topped like soft serve. It's not no bake fun twist on the traditional cheesecake. The last one is layered cheesecake, different color layers shaped into block designs, a rainbow or ombre effect with when sliced perfect for aesthetic plating. Which cheesecake did you like the most? Tell us in the comment below. Like this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss a sweet idea from Cakes Factory. Ring the bell for more delicious upload every day. Till that, take care of yourself and share your favorite design to your loved ones or your baker. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.